Here's my recipe for a classic shrimp boil, baked in a delicious melted butter sauce with Cajun seasonings. These are the ingredients that I used. I used an air fryer to pre-cook my potatoes, but you can also boil them for 10 minutes. Once your corn and potatoes are done, add them to a baking pan along with the sausage. Now it's time to make the sauce that's going to bring this all together. Melt the butter, add the onions, and cook for a couple of minutes. Once your onions are soft, add all the seasonings and the garlic. You can also add a couple tablespoons of lemon juice. My shrimp is already cooked, so I'm going to turn off the heat and just mix it. Add the butter and shrimp to the rest of the ingredients. This dish comes together so quick. It's always on point. I hope you give this a try. Thanks for watching.